Oh, absolutely. Okay. It's almost exactly 103 years ago to the day, on the 4th of August 1914, as you probably all know, the First World War broke out. The Mons were called to arms, and 1,020 officers and men set out in 8 companies, this being C companies, to muster at Bailey Park in Abergavenny. Sadly, very sadly, only 133 out of that contingency returned to their loved ones, their homes and their families. Gone, yes, gone, but not forgotten, ladies and gentlemen, not forgotten. Today, that we are able to honour those men of C Company is principally due to the activity of 2 people. One is Captain Hayden Davis there, and the second one, only living a stone's throw to the south, Peter Morgan Jones. And those 2 gents collaborated and discussed and arranged and done all the arrangements to bring this day about.
We will now have 2 minutes silence for those who lost their lives.
They shall not go old, as we that are left go old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
We will remember them.
I give my personal thanks personally to Peter Morgan Jones. I miss him. He's a great friend of mine. And we used to send emails to each other and always good historical stuff. So if he was here now, I would ask him to say, this plaque is hereby displayed. Thank you very much for it.
Thank you.